song filling the air, accompanied by dhol and manjira, bhangra, dance, and etc. Lohri festival is a celebration that brings people together, meeting, talking, celebrating, and praying together with a unique aspect of Lohri festival. Thank you. Give you some points about Lohri.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. I am here to tell you something about the Lohri. The facts that you might not have known. Agricultural fields would already know this, but those in southern India and those who live in urban areas might be unaware of the significance. The winter crop, traditionally Rabi, is harvested in the days up to Lohri, and then on the festival day, all those involved in the labor gather around big bonfire and socialize and celebrate the harvest. It is a Hindu religious festival. It's hard to say if it started out as a religious festival or an agricultural one, but in Hinduism, it is believed to celebrate the goddess Lohri and the god Agni. Lohri is celebrated by farmers of other religions too. It is a solstice festival. Many religions worldwide have a winter solstice festival. It marks the end of spring and beginning of. It is the longest night of the year. Lohri has the shortest day and the longest night over the years. The word Lohri is also said to have its origin in the regional word Loh, refers to the warmth and the light of the fire. Here is wishing a happy Lohri to all of you. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Now, I would like to call our director sir to lead the bonfire. Put your hand together. Now I would like to call. Sir, have a seat.
Everyone, ताली लोहे के चिमटे से फूंक मारा था, छोटी मोटी मोई ने रसोई में पुकारा था। लोहे के चिमटे से लिपटे जो मारा था, कोई भी तेरा चूल्हा जले, चप्पा चप्पा चल कर चले। Sing with me everyone, चप्पा चप्पा चल कर चले, चप्पा चप्पा चल कर चले, चप्पा चप्पा चल कर चले।
About Lohri, Vishal sir already told, but just I want to share my experience when I was in Punjab. I have spent near about 7 to 8 years in Punjab, and I have seen Lohri, celebration of Lohri very closely. And there, it is celebrated every year on 13th of Jan. It marks, as Vishal sir told, it marks the end of the winter season. We call it Mungfali, revelry on that bonfire and took the circle as we do now. Nothing more to say. This is a festival of not only for the Sikhism, for all of us. Everyone celebrate this festival with happiness and joy.
Dance.
Jai Hind.
ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੋੜੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਗਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਗਨ ਮਨਾ
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬਣਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬਣਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ
ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਤੀ ਆਈ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਤੀ ਆਈ ਠੰਡੀ ਠੰਡੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹਵਾ
ਲਾਡ ਮਲਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਮੁਹੱਬਤਾਂ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਲੋੜੀ ਸੇਕਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੋੜੀ ਸੇਕਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਕਲਮਾਂ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਕਲਮਾਂ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ
Sanjay sir, join us. बात मान जावा तेरी सोनी ओए 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 तेरे कुर्बान जावा तेरी मर्जी जान जावा
औंदियां ने लोड़ियां मनाउंदियां ने जोड़ियां भैणां पईयां पाਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਗਨ ਮਨਾ
ਜਦੋਂ ਏ
Days might be one day, 2 day here and there, but all are same. Whether you call Makar Sankranti, for which you are getting a holiday tomorrow for UP and Bihar, or you call Lohri for Punjab, or you can call Bihu for Assam, Motsam for Nagaland. Different names are there, but festival meaning is same. I was also informing you. I don't know whether you heard or not. Sun. We say sun rises from east, but if you see that sun rises from its south side during the winters and during summers northern. Uttarayan and Dakshinayan it is named. So from today you will find, if you saw this morning, that sun was rising while east, it was little bit tilted from the north side. Earlier in winter you might have seen that it was rising from the south side, now north side. When sun rises from the northern eastern part, the sun rays directly falls on the earth and then it becomes a little bit heat. That's why we call this is the end of the winter now. I'm not saying suddenly tomorrow you'll feel lots of hot and all, nothing like that. But slowly you'll find that summer season is coming. You saw teachers dancing there. Now I request all of you to send your videos in course cluster groups. Your dance videos in course cluster groups. Decorate yourself backside also. And then make small videos, 2 to 3 minutes, and send in course cluster groups. I thank all my dear teachers, all of you who are joining me here on Zoom platform. And last but not least, our Honorable Director, Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh sir, that all the way from Gazipur to here, he came only for this celebration. Thank you all. Have a good day.